Are you tired of having cluttered, messy backgrounds ruining your Canva designs? Well, what if I told you that you can blur any background for free without paying a single dime? Hey, this is Saif from Digi Whisper, and today I'm going to show you a super simple trick in Canva that instantly make your images and designs pop. No pro subscription needed. By the end of this video, you will be creating professional looking designs with blurred backgrounds in just a few clicks. Ready to level up your Canva games? Let's dive in. Now I'll show you how to blur background in Canva for free. First, get your image or upload your image. So in this case, I want to blur this image background. So I am adjusting it with my canvas. And now first I need to click the edit button, and here go to effect section and click blur, and here click the whole image and increase the intensity of blur. So let's say I want to blur like this, and this is the first step. And now we need to do the second step. We need to remove our background of this image. So you can do this using Canva or any other tool. So I have already removed the background from the image. So this is the version without background. And now I need to adjust this image with the original image position. I think it's perfect now. Can increase more. So I think it's completely perfect. It's perfect now. So this way you can blur the background of an image using Canva. You don't need to have a Canva Pro account. You can do it easily using your Canva free account. That's all for now. Make sure to check the pinned comment and video description for all the useful links and resources. And if you want more beginner-friendly Canva tutorials like this, subscribe to the Digi Whisper channel.